In part 1, you are asked to integrate 2 cosine 2x minus sine 2x whole thing square dx. To do this type of question, the first thing is to do expansion. So you expand it out, and it's like expanding 2a minus b squared. You can say this as 2a minus b and whole thing squared. So it should give you 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared. So it means the same as integrating 4 cosine squared 2x minus 4 sine 2x cosine 2x and plus sine squared 2x dx. Remember, you have this identity, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equal to 1. So with that, right, you can actually say, you break this up as 3 cosine squared 2x plus cosine squared 2x. 4 is 3 plus 1. And with that, right, you can combine the cosine square with the sine square to give you 1. So the next step you can say is integrate 3 cosine square 2x and minus 4 sine 2x cosine 2x plus 1 dx. And we are going to combine them using identity, trivial identity. 4 sine 2x cosine 2x, we are going to use this. Okay, you can multiply the half as 2 to the right hand side. It means you should have 2 sine a cosine a is sine 2a. And then you can take it as is 2 sine box cosine box equal to sine 2 and box. And after that, you can look at what you have. What you have is sine 2x cosine 2x with a 4. So what you have is 4 sine 2x cosine 2x, and which means you should be writing 2x inside the box. 2x inside the box. You write 2x inside the box, then 2 sine 2x cosine 2x is sine 2 of 2x, which will give you sine 4x. So first, you should take this as 2 bracket 2 sine 2x cosine 2x. And then by what I have just shown you, right? By what I have just mentioned here, it can be combined as it and give you sine 4x. 2 sine 2x cosine 2x is sine 4x because you fill in 2x to the boxes. So this one should give you 2 sine 4x. So it should give you 2 sine 4x after applying this identity. So that means this term will give you 2 sine 4x. So you give you 2 sine 4x. Next, we'll be looking at the cosine square 2x term. The cosine square 2x term, right, you can also use identity. If you're looking at this one, if you're looking at cosine square a, is half 2 cosine square half bracket 1 plus 2 cosine 2a. So it's cosine square a. A you change it to box. So it's cosine square box equal to half bracket 1 plus cosine 2 box. And we are looking at cosine square 3x. we are looking at cosine square 3x. So unless you fill in, you are looking at cosine square 2x. Cosine square 2x with a 3 outside. With a 3 outside, right? With a 3 outside. We're looking at 3 cosine square 2x. So there's a 3 outside. So it's 2x. So the 3 you do it later. It means you fill in 2x. You fill in 2x. So cosine square 2x is half bracket 1 plus cosine 4x. So cosine square 2x is half 1 plus cosine 4x. And then you can put in the 3. Yeah? You can put in the 3, so you just times 3. So now you put in the 3 means you times 3. So you times 3 will be 3. Instead of half, you times 3, so it becomes 3 over 2. So now 3 cosine square 2x can be replaced by 3 over 2, 1 plus cosine 4x. So this can be replaced by 3 over 2 bracket 1 plus cosine 4x. Let's expand this out. It will give you 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 cosine 4x. And after that, you can combine similar term. So if you combine similar term, 3 over 2 and 1 will give you 5 over 2. So you integrate 5 over 2, and then the cosine term is 3 over 2 cosine 4x. And the sine term is minus 2 sine 4x and dx. Integrate 5 over 2 will give you 5 over 2x. Integrate cosine will give you sine, so it's sine 4x over 4. Integrate sine will give you minus cosine 4x over 4 and plus c. And the whole thing can be written as one answer is just simplified. So it's 5 over 2x plus 3 over 8 sine 4x then plus half cosine 4x sine 4x then plus c. Yeah? So it's 5 over 2x plus 3 over 8 sine 4x plus half cosine 4x and plus c.